Have you ever held a handful of soil and wondered what it's really made of? Not the roots or the bugs, just the soil itself. Beneath your feet lies a hidden world shaped by mineral particles, sand, silt, and clay. These aren't just dirt, they're the building blocks of our gardens, farms, forests, even our food. Understanding them is the first step to healthier plants and better harvests. Let's zoom in and break them down. Sand particles are the giants, coarse, gritty, and easy to spot, like the grains on a beach. Silt is smaller, smooth, and soft to the touch, think of flour. And clay? It's the tiniest of all, made of ultrafine platelets that stick together and form dense, compact layers. These differences in size affect everything: how water moves, how air flows, and how roots grow. In sandy soil, water rushes straight through, great for drainage but terrible for holding moisture. Clay soil is the opposite, it holds water so tightly that plants can suffocate or rot. And in between lies loam, the perfect mix. It drains well, but not too fast. It holds water, but doesn't drown roots. That's why soil texture is more than feel, it's about balance. It's not just about water. These particles also control how nutrients behave. Clay, with its tiny surface area, can store lots of nutrients, but sometimes too tightly. Sand doesn't hold much, nutrients just wash away. Silt is somewhere in the middle. The texture of your soil influences how much fertilizer your plants can actually use. Want to test your own soil? It's simple. Take a handful, moisten it, and give it a squeeze. If it crumbles and feels gritty, it's sandy. If it feels smooth like talcum powder, that's silt. If it sticks together in a firm ball or ribbon, you've got clay. This old school test still works, and it gives you a direct connection to your land. So what's the perfect mix? It's called loam. About 40% sand, 40% silt, and 20% clay. Loam holds moisture, lets air flow, stores nutrients, and supports strong root growth. It's the sweet spot for most crops and gardens. Plants in loamy soil grow fast and healthy. But in heavy clay, they struggle, with poor root spread and yellowing leaves. Sandy soil dries too fast. The takeaway? Your soil texture has a direct impact on plant health, and your yield. Every region has its own soil fingerprint. River valleys are rich in silt. Desert soils are mostly sand. Tropical climates lean toward clay. Knowing your local soil type can help you choose the right crops, tools, and management practices. But even if your soil isn't perfect, don't worry. You can improve it. Add compost and organic matter. Grow cover crops to loosen compacted soil. Mulch to retain moisture and protect the surface. These actions slowly shift your soil texture, and build life into your land. Soil is not just dirt. It's alive. And with the right care, you can turn tired, struggling ground into a thriving, resilient garden or field. This is the soil story. Subscribe for more science video.